Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the progressing of our LSA-WARD-COV. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For step 1, you'll require 4 parts H40, 6 parts H47, 4 parts A16, 4 parts B16, and 3 parts J1. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to repeat this for another 2 times. For step 2, you'll require 4 parts H67, 4 parts H33, 1 part J1, 2 parts H47, 2 parts H40, 4 parts C16. Right, let's go ahead and start. Okay, let's begin with step 3. For step 3, you'll require 4 parts H47, 4 parts H40, J1, 4 parts 4 parts C16, 2 parts D16, and 2 parts Y16. Let's go ahead and start. Step 4, you'll require 4 parts H33. Let's go ahead and assemble. Let's begin with step 5. For step 5, you'll require 4 parts H67, 4 parts H33, 4 parts C16, 2 parts H40, 2 parts H47, and 1 part J1. Let's go ahead and begin. For step 6, you'll require 2 parts H51, 6 parts H47, 3 parts J1, 4 parts H40, 4 parts C16, 4 parts D16. Let's go ahead and begin. Let's go ahead and continue the assembly. For that, we need 4 parts H33. Let's go ahead and put them on here. Step 7, you'll require 4 parts H40, 4 parts C16, 4 parts D16, and 6 parts H47. Let's begin. To complete step 7, we're just going to put on 8 times H33. Let's go ahead and assemble. Step 8, you'll require 2 people just to assemble the fabric. Just put the fabric on top. Yeah, this is an example of how you fold it. Thank you for watching the product assembly of our LSA-WARD-COV. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies and more of our products. Thank you.